Today I'm going to be showing you my Nerf collection. It is right down here. I made another video, copyrighted music in it. So, a Nerf shotgun. That's how it comes. Ammo goes in there. Okay. Rival shotgun. This one's kind of hard to load. That one's hard. Okay. I have another rival gun. It shoots very strong. No pistols. Fortnite related. This is my last Fortnite, and my collection's small, but it's not all I have. I have more, but they're just not at this house that I'm staying at. Okay, so the last gun that I have, well, not the last, one of the last, it's the second to last. Another pistol. This one's not Nerf. It's a blue dart. Did not come with Nerf bullets, but it can fit Nerf bullets. This. Very easy, it can fly pretty far too. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.